Welcome to Resource AI Hub. Over 50% of enterprise artificial intelligence repositories on GitHub now center around autonomous agent architectures and long-term memory execution. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 open-source agent frameworks ranked strictly by GitHub star popularity. As large language models transition from simple chat interfaces to production software systems, engineers require dedicated infrastructure layers. These 5 projects address multi-agent orchestration, contextual memory, real-time global intelligence, document retrieval, and browser automation. Our roadmap starts at rank number 5 with Microsoft's AutoGen, moves through Memzero, Worldmonitor, and Ragflow, and culminates at rank number 1 with browser use. Each project solves a distinct architectural bottleneck in the modern artificial intelligence stack. Holding rank number 5 with nearly 60,000 GitHub stars is AutoGen from Microsoft. AutoGen established early open-source design patterns for multi-agent conversation and task distribution across distinct language model instances. Standard language model implementations struggle with complex multi-step reasoning when confined to a single prompt context. AutoGen solves this by decomposing intricate workflows into specialized autonomous agents that converse, review code, and execute tools collaboratively. Under the hood, AutoGen utilizes an event-driven framework where developers define system roles, available tool endpoints, and speaker selection protocols. Agents exchange structured messages, execute local code, and iterate automatically until a defined stopping condition is met. To implement AutoGen, developers install the core agent chat package alongside provider extensions. This framework suits software engineers building complex code generation pipelines and multi-agent simulation environments. At rank number 4 with over 61,000 stars is Memzero, the universal memory layer for artificial intelligence agents. It addresses the fundamental statelessness of standard large language model API calls. Without persistent state, AI chatbots lose conversational context, user preferences, and historical execution logs across independent user sessions. Memzero creates a continuous context store that dynamically extracts and updates user facts over time. Memzero operates by extracting structured facts and entity relationships from incoming conversational text streams. It writes these representations into underlying memory graphs, allowing agents to fetch relevant historical context seamlessly during subsequent interactions. Developers can integrate Memzero rapidly using command-line tools or native software development kits. It serves engineers building personalized conversational assistants, enterprise customer service workflows, and multi-session AI agents. Securing rank number 3 with over 74,000 stars is Worldmonitor by Koala73. Worldmonitor provides a real-time global intelligence dashboard combining geopolitical monitoring and infrastructure tracking. Engineers and security analysts often struggle to consolidate disparate news feeds, telemetry sources, and infrastructure signals into a coherent view. Worldmonitor unifies unstructured global updates into a single structured operational dashboard. The platform aggregates continuous streams through model context protocol integration and automated parsing engines. The TypeScript backend categorizes incoming events and projects' geographical and textual data directly onto a responsive UI. Deploying Worldmonitor involves cloning the repository and connecting local API tools or model context protocol services. It provides threat intelligence analysts and system administrators with immediate real-time situational awareness. Ranking at number 2 with over 86,000 stars is Ragflow from Infiniflow. Ragflow is a leading open-source retrieval augmented generation engine that merges deep document understanding with agent capabilities. Standard vector search implementations fail when handling complex document layouts, tables, and multi-format enterprise files. Ragflow overcomes this by preserving visual structure and applying advanced multi-recall fusion search. Ragflow processes documents using specialized layout parsing models paired with fused re-ranking algorithms. Under the hood, Go-based orchestration services ensure efficient memory usage while maintaining seamless API integration for enterprise workflows. Engineers can clone the source code to deploy Ragflow locally or on cloud infrastructure. It equips enterprise AI developers with a precise context layer for complex document management systems. Claiming the top spot at rank number 1 with over 106,000 stars is browser use. Browser use makes websites accessible to autonomous AI agents through direct web interaction. The framework translates natural language goals into concrete web actions like clicking buttons, filling forms, and extracting text. The agent evaluates browser screenshots and DOM structures continuously until the target online task is completed. Analyzing all 5 repositories shows a major evolution in software engineering. Modern artificial intelligence platforms are shifting from standalone text prompts to modular stacks incorporating persistent memory, accurate retrieval, live monitoring, and automated browser actions. For engineers looking to build modern agent infrastructure, start by implementing Memsysio for persistent context across sessions. Combine it with Ragflow for deep document parsing and browser use for autonomous web execution. All project repository links and installation commands are available in the description. Subscribe to Resource AI Hub for technical breakdowns of essential software tools.